Hello, and welcome to my PC. Today I will share 3 most fast and simplest ways to blend your subject into any background. And all these tricks will take only 1 minute to use. So, let's change our locations. So this is our subject, just remove its background. I am using action. By the way, if you need this action, you can check my description. After placing the subject, let's move toward our first method. Just go to the Edit menu, and from Adjustments, select Color Match. This tool is provided by Photoshop. All you have to do is to select your background as the source and merged for the layer. This tool gives you essential colors for your subject. And playing with these sliders will give you accurate results. And in the combination, you can use auto tone. But I think that this tool is for no players because you can get way better results than this by using curves. Let's do this again with curves. Hold the Alt key and click on the auto tool. From here, you have to select Find Dark or Light Color. As you see, this automatically gives us essential colors. And now, just adjust brightness and contrast according to your taste. And apply this effect only to the subject by holding the Alt key and clicking between the curves and subject panel. And that's it. This is the before and this is the after. But wait. There is another trick you can do with curves which is more professional and accurate than this. Instead of going toward auto, here you see 3 eyedroppers, which are for shadows, mid-tones, and highlights. Select the highlight dropper and click on the brightest part of your subject. And select the darkest part for the shadows dropper. Now for mid-tones. Try to find the grayish part of your subject. Try different areas where you satisfy with colors. Now adjust brightness and contrast according to your taste. And specify this effect to your subject. And you are done. This is the most helpful method, and I always use this for the startup. But these tricks only work professionally when you practice on different images and got a little bit knowledge of color balance and color grading. And all of these methods are worthy. Because in some cases, color match trick also work very effectively, and the auto tool will not work, even a little bit. It's all up to your image. So that's all that I have got for you. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Meet you in the next video.